3rd and 4. Here comes pressure. There goes the ball wide open. It is Smith again, all the way for the touchdown.
Eagles fans, how does it feel to be 2-0, even though we lost 5 defensive starters in the offseason and we just lost 3 more starters the last 2 weeks? Man, when we get back together healthy, we gonna be dangerous. Okay, boss, I see what you tried to do there. Trying to deflect on the fact that Kirk Cousins and Justin Jefferson lit y'all defense up like a fucking Christmas tree while your offense is struggling. I see what you tried to do there. Struggling? Really? We scored 34 points. We rushed for over 250 yards thanks to our new toy, DeAndre Swift's 175. Ground and pound, baby. Ground and pound. Ain't you the same cat that was just calling for Howie to trade for Jonathan Taylor last week? But we both know what the real elephant in the room is. It's Jalen Hurts and his struggles in the passing game. Seems like defensive coordinators have figured out how to disrupt your offense. And all them hits he keeps taking on those RPOs, bruh, this ain't good. Okay, I will admit the hits he's taking are a bit concerning. But he did unleash 2 big bombs to Devontae Smith. Man, come on, give that guy some credit. Let him live. He's just a little bit rusty since he didn't play in preseason. If you really think playing 1 or 2 series of preseason football would have prevented the struggles Jalen Hurts is going through, it proves my point. You don't know shit about football. What they're doing, defenses are using a must rush. A must rush is when you rush 2 or 3 players, dropping the other 8 or 9 players in the coverage. So you got to figure out who's open, and it's a little harder to do when you got extra men in coverage. They used to do the same shit to Randall Cunningham and Michael Vick. Jalen got to figure it the fuck out. I know that. That's why we punish them motherfuckers with our running game. And if they continue to play those kind of defenses, we will continue to run the ball down their motherfucking throats. Eventually, they'll come out of those defenses. But better defenses like the Cowboys and the 49ers, they'll play y'all straight up. No gimmicks. They'll stuff your running game, forcing you to pass. Then what y'all gonna do? I'm not sure what the problem is with the offense, but y'all better figure it out fast. You play the Jets in week 6. Their defense is the truth. Better get it together. Man, we got a 10-day mini bye before our next game. Word on the street is Howie is looking to trade for veteran safety help. Can you say Bubba Baker? We'll see. We'll see. But I got faith in Howie. I got faith in the coaching staff. And I got faith in Jalen Hurts. Man, I ain't going to worry about a thing. I'm just going to sit back, relax, watch the rest of this league try to catch up to us. Because we 2-0, baby. Woo! When is he going to learn? Last year was last year, but it's over. This is a different team with different set of problems. Stupid, dumb bitch.